Hi, I'm Pusher, and this is another Music Minute where we talk about how music works. Today, we're going to be talking about notes. Notes are the smallest fundamental building block. There are 12 notes in Western music. On the piano, there are 7 white keys and 5 black keys. So this note here is a C, and if you go up 12, you have another C. If you go up 12, you have another C. And that pattern just keeps going up and down on any instrument. So this note is the same as this note, is the same as this note. In English-speaking parts of the world, we use letters for our notes. So you have C, D, E, F, G, and then it starts at A, B, and you're back at C. Now you might be asking yourself, if this is a C and this is a D, what's the black key in between them? There's no letter between them. To get to the black keys, you need sharps and flats. A sharp will raise a note, and a flat will lower a note. So this is C, this is a C sharp. This is D flat. So the black keys can have 2 names. There's a common misconception that sharps are only for black keys, but that's not the case. So this is an E and this is an F, but you could also call this an E sharp, and you could also call this an F flat.